It's over the top, just like the movie is. It's completely indulgent. Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Jonathan Bennett, AKA Aaron Samuels, and I am so excited because today we're gonna be making a recipe for my new parody cookbook for Mean Girls fans, The Burn Cookbook. You guys ready to milkshake it like it's 2004? So obviously Mean Girls was my first movie, and I'm so honored to be a part of it. And after Mean Girls, I went on to host a bunch of food competition shows like Cake Wars and Halloween Wars, and it was awesome. And then I realized I need to marry my love for food with my love for pop culture. I thought, why not make an amazing book where people can come together, make the food, watch the movie, and relive some of their favorite moments with some of their best friends. And sometimes we all need a partner in crime, just to make sure we're doing everything right. So I teamed up with my favorite chef, Nikki Martin, to help me write the book. Nikki, get in, loser. It's desserts. We're making a milkshake. If I was a plastic, I would definitely be Lindsay Lohan. Not like Lindsay Lohan's character. I just want to be Lilo. It's fun being part of pop culture and being Aaron Samuels, and for a lot of years I didn't like it, but what happened was when my dad got sick, we went to a restaurant and he had these girls come and take a photo with me, and I was like, Dad, do we have to take photos all the time? And he goes, when was the last time you saw people that happy? All these girls are like looking at the pictures and they're giggling, and like one's calling her mom and she's like shaking and she's crying, and that's when I realized that Mean Girls is more than just a movie. It's part of their life, and so like I decided to just lean into it. It's an honor to be a part of people's lives. It's the milkshake that you want to make with your friends. Push the coffee table out of the way and get right in the middle of the living room and do the little Kylie George dance and watch the movie and dance in your living room. I mean, you know all the moves to the Jingle Bell Rock. You know how it goes. And Nikki, what do you think? Did we do a good job?
I think we crushed it.
Oh yeah, let's taste it.
All right.
Yep.
Yes.
You need this milkshake and this book. Go watch Mean Girls, why not?
Oh, yes.